How to use Google Drive on desktop. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and I'm back with a new tutorial where I will demonstrate you how you could use Google Drive on desktop. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, open up a Google Chrome on your device. And once you're on your Chrome browser, you have to click on the search bar, then type in download Google Drive. Navigate to the first link on your interface. Now from here, you could download Google Drive for your desktop. From here, click on download Drive for desktop and then the download will begin. Once this download process is completed, you have to click and open up this file from here. Open up this downloaded file and set up Google Drive in your device. Now once the installation is complete, click and open up Google Drive. From here it says safely store your files and folders in Drive. Open Drive files with applications, automatically keep all your Drive files, backup your photos to Google Photos. Click on get started. Now you have to sign in to get started, so click on sign in and you could log in with your Google account. Select your account that you want to sign in with. Click on sign in. So once you're signed in, head back to Google Drive. After you open it up, you will see this kind of interface where you have to choose folders to sync from your computer to your drive. So from here you could choose any one of the folder, but if you want to add a folder, click on add folder. So from here you could also create a new folder. Here I will just create a new folder in my desktop and I will give it a name, My Drive. Then select this folder, then click on select folder. So once you have added this folders, all of the videos or photos that you add in this folder will be auto synced in your Google Drive. Then click on next. And here click on got it. And here it says you have to select the folders, and here you have two options to choose from if you would like to back up your pictures and videos to your Google Drive or not. If yes, select both of these options, then click on next. If not, click on skip. And here it says the selected folder will start to sync once the setup is completed, so click on next. Now you're almost there. For the last step, click on next. So once you're done with that, now click on open Drive. And here it says your files are up to date. Now once you're done with that, open up My Drive in your desktop. Onto this folder you have to upload a file. All you have to do is simply drag and drop a video into this folder from your device. So for example, I have this video right here. I will just simply drag and drop this video here. Now the video will be added into My Drive. After that, if you close My Drive and open up Google Drive in your device, so once you're here, click on Google Apps, click on Drive and make sure that you're signed in with your same account. So once you are here, if you navigate to this sidebar, there is a computers. Click on computers. Under that, go to my laptop. And if you open up My Drive, here you will find your videos that you have added recently, and the video is automatically synced into Google Drive. And that's it. That's how you can use Google Drive to auto sync file and folders from your computer to Google Drive. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.